This is the coolest ball. Bounces really, really high. This is Holly with Slay Math. Let's do stats 8.1.
Okay, we are doing the distribution of the sample mean 8.1. We're using StatCrunch. So we're not even going to use these two links. You do that if you're doing it with the graphing calculator. We're going to open up a new tab, StatCrunch. If you have to log in, you just use your Math Excel login information. We're going to stat calculators normal. Calculators, stat calculators. Go down here to normal, right here. Normal calculator. Comes up with this. Our little red hill. So in the problem, it gives you the mean is 266. So we put this mean as 266. And then the standard deviation is 16. So standard deviation is 16. Then the question is, what is the probability that a random selected pregnancy lasts less than 261 days? So we do less than or equal to 261. Compute. We round this to 4 decimal places. 0.3773. 0.3773. Nice work. Now, this means if 100 pregnant individuals were selected independently from the population, we would expect, and we want less than, because this said less than, this said less than. So make sure you match this with this. Now, if we multiply this by 100, we move the decimal 2 places to the right, and it's going to be 37.7. We round it to 38. Excellent. Now, this means this is a normal distribution. That's our whole point, because this is a normal distribution. So this stays like this all the time. So if that helps you remember, normal distribution, it's symmetric. The mean, why is it doing that? The mean is 266, and the standard deviation is 16. Wait. They want to know. No, wait, so hold on. Change the standard deviation. That's the new one. So it gives us, our part here is, it gives us a new sample size of 18 human pregnancies. So to get our new standard deviation, I put it over here in the Word document so we can make it easy. We do the standard deviation from the original problem, which was 16, divided by the standard, the square root of our new n, which is 18. So 16 divided by square root 18. And that's going to be 3.7712. So that comes over here in our new standard deviation, 3.7712. Good job. Ha. All right, so the probability that the mean of a sample of 18 pregnancies is less than 261 days. We put this in our little red calculator. Where is StatCrunch? So we put this in here using our new standard deviation with 18 pregnancies, which was 3.7712. And we're still checking to see if it's less than 261 days. So we hit compute, and this is 4 decimal places right here, 0.0924. Nice work. All right. This means that if 100 independent, this means multiplying this number by 100, which is going to end up being 9, and we are doing less than. So we find the less than, what the heck does it say? Random sample slot, we obtain the population. Yeah. Have a sample mean of 261. Now, sample mean. What should... I gotta get my glasses to see what the heck the differences are.